something's not feeling right. I still got my appetite when you don't text me. Guess I'll see you next week. Oh baby, baby, not in my bed, not in my head. Emotional roller coaster. Everything's great, fall into place like it's supposed to. Before I met you, I was only in it for attention, reciprocation. But with you, there's something different. Don't mind a little distance, I'm fine, not even stressing. But you got me asking the